Hi again, everyone. This is our update for February 10th, 2025. A pretty decent day overall today. I mean, it opened up to the upside. It pretty much remained flat the rest of the day. These numbers to the right here look a lot like they did during our chat session this morning. The Dow finishing up 140 today. The S&P up 35, while the Nasdaq was up 235 here. But again, these critical levels still remain intact. We have not moved outside of them, so we patiently wait here. The Russell up 8.5 points today. If we look at crude oil, it was up 1.5% while we were in our chat. It finished higher by 2% here today, slightly higher. Gold maintained its same level here, finishing higher by 47 points. So that was a pretty strong candle here. And again, did not fade throughout the day, just kind of opened, went higher, and stayed there. The silver futures up 40 cents here, or 4 cents, excuse me. Again, finding resistance at that level. Bond yields were mixed, and the dollar finishing at 108.31 here, back above the 20 for the first time in a while. We'll see if there's any sort of follow through there. When it comes to Bitcoin, up 856 here. So far, again, a small range day, but moving higher nonetheless. Now, we do have, again, a slew of earnings this week, but today, not a whole lot. We had McDonald's come out this morning. Let's have a quick look to see if that held on to its gains, and it did. So, they beat on earnings. They came in a little light on revenue, but must have had something good to say on the call. This gapped up. It followed through quickly and closed near the high of the day. So it was up almost 5% on the day. Now, a couple charts that I'd like to share with you. Let me stretch this out here, clean this up a little. There we go. So we get maximum real estate on our charts. EQH to the long side, equitable holdings, excuse me. Nice clean looking chart here. Nice strong trend upward. Orderly retracement back to 20. We did close just below there one brief day and then bounce strongly. And again, today we get that buy signal. Nice slope, higher time frames aligned. I'll show you in a second. Earnings 79 days away, so nothing to worry about there. Here's the weekly. Very nice and clean. Strong trend intact. Here's the monthly. We're at all-time highs, nothing overhead. This one looks very strong to me. I really like this chart. And then to the short side, APLS, strong slope lower here as well. And let's see, weekly, again, nice strong slope. Monthly, there it is. And I mean, this has been a falling knife when you look at it on the monthly. We've barely made any attempt, excuse me, to get back above the 20 here. And below here, there just really isn't much holding this up. Earnings are 22 days away here. So APLS to the short side, EQH to the long side. That's what I will be watching tomorrow morning for these. And again, tomorrow, not much on the schedule as far as economic data, but on Wednesday and Thursday, we do expect the CPI and the PPI numbers, again, along with a slew of earnings. So that's about it for now. Enjoy your evening, and we'll see you on our next update. Take care.